escape to the charming countryside property in Tennessee. This stunning cabin nestled on 145 acres of rolling hills and picturesque farmhouses. This farm is a nature lover's paradise and features two bedrooms and two baths. This peaceful retreat offers breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. Unwind on the wraparound porch with a cozy fireplace, perfect for meals and relaxation. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.